We are literally one day away from the weekend and updates flowing as if it has been a year already. India's proposed crypto tax rules could become a law, and PUBG developer Krafton Labs has teamed up with Solana for blockchain games, indicating that the future of gaming is right here. The West, on the other hand, includes sentiments like the US government does not stand for freedom. Bukele responded to a measure passed by a Senate committee in the United States. Furthermore, the Singapore High Court has recognized cryptocurrency as a form of property. So CoinMonks has returned with a new set of updates as always. Let's start today's briefing with some of the most important news coverages of the day. Starting with the update from the Indian Finance Ministry. Apparently, it is repeatedly being said that the India's proposed crypto tax rules may turn into law tomorrow through Parliament. The bill has been sent to India's upper house for deliberation. However, because it is a currency bill, the amendment will be sent to India's lower house, which will vote on each amendment separately. The House of Commons is anticipated to pass the bill before the end of the day. Subhash Garg, a former secretary in the Department of Economic Affairs in the Finance Ministry, stated that I don't anticipate the government to make any adjustments to the recommendations on the 30% capital gains tax and 1% TDS or other areas of the tax ideas that require clarification such as loss offsetting. Nirmala Sitharaman, India's finance minister, came out swinging, claiming that Bitcoin tax is in a sovereign right and corrective measure. Along with the sports community, crypto businesses are focusing on the gaming sector in order to quickly move digital currencies into the mainstream. In a press statement issued on March 24, the designer of the popular PUBG Battlegrounds Battle Royale game announced a cooperation with cryptocurrency company Solana Labs. Solana aims to provide the world with apps that have user-friendly interfaces. PUBG's deal with the decentralized blockchain will help create and distribute games and services, having blockchain as their foundation. This long-term partnership will also help fetch significant investment and also comes with a promise that Krafton will be bringing in exciting business opportunities this year. The lead of the Web3 roundtable at Krafton Inc. said that this deal with Solana will help the game creators to gain ideas to scale its investment in blockchain and Web3. Earlier, Krafton announced that it is gearing up to set its foot into the world of Web3 and NFT. So let's have a look at our next coverage. Apparently, the new US bill was released and the bill would direct federal agencies to scrutinize how El Salvador implements its Bitcoin law. Let's have a look at what exactly happened. El Salvador President Nayib Bukele has reacted to the news in the recently proposed Accountability for Cryptocurrency in El Salvador Act ACES. Has cleared the US Senate Foreign Relations Committee and will now be considered by the entire Senate. On Twitter, the 40-year-old national leader reacted with emotion. Senators sponsored the bill, which was passed as a measure to mitigate risk associated to El Salvador's acceptance of Bitcoin as legal cash and legalization to recalibrate the state's department's risk tolerance overseas. Both received committee approval. Immediately after the introduction of ACES bill, Bukele demanded that the US government stay out of El Salvador's domestic affair. The US government does not stand for freedom and that it is a proven fact, the Salvadoran leader claimed. I wonder what will be the next chapter of the story. Let's quickly have a look at the last segment for today. In Singapore, the High Court has recognized cryptocurrencies as a kind of property. Unknown person accused of stealing cryptocurrencies have been served with proprietary injunctions by the High Court. The country also issued assets tracing disclosure orders against cryptocurrency exchanges that house the coin, compelling them to furnish information to help in asset tracking. Where the stolen crypto assets were housed to give the judiciary with data that might aid trace down the assets in a case involving the alleged theft of Bitcoin and Ethereum, worth USD 7 million. A group of attorneys from international legal firm Reed Smith LLP provided a study from Lexology.com. According to the plaintiff's investigations and tracing attempts, the stolen cryptocurrency assets were moved to digital wallet owned by 2 cryptocurrency exchanges having operations in Singapore. As per the analysis, the court granted the order of proprietary injunction and disclosure. The court also issued a worldwide freezing injunction against the first defendants, despite the fact that their identities were unknown. So we'll round off our analysis for today and see you all tomorrow with even more exciting content. In the meanwhile, you can leave us comments with any recommendations or opinions that you might have. And you can also join our Telegram channel for free crypto alerts. For instructions, reviews and tutorials, you may visit our blog which is linked right below. Also subscribe to the channel to receive daily crypto market updates. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day ahead.